Hi, in this video we will be learning how to create a drop-down menu in a cell of Microsoft Excel like this. So for that, first of all, you have to create a list of all the categories or whatever the values you want to have in the drop-down menu. And once you're done with that, go to the cell wherein you want that drop-down menu, and then go to data, and then go to data validation, and here select list, and here on the source just click and select all the values which have to be in the drop down menu. Like in this case we have selected these values and click on OK, and over here we will see all the values. Suppose you want to change or add more values, what you can do is just right click and click on insert, and maybe click it as furniture maybe. And now if you will see, we'll be having that particular value as well, furniture. Likewise, if you remove these 3 values, the drop down will automatically be updated, and it will just have two options, fruits and furniture. So you can have these categories on the next worksheet, wherein you can have multiple categories for multiple columns, and each column will have a certain type of drop down menu. So this is how you create a drop down menu in a cell of Microsoft Excel.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.